Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this is a really cool lock. It doesn't say cool, it says Codi, but actually at a glance it does look like cool. You might think, well, what's cool about this? It's clearly a 30mm brass padlock. Seen millions of those. Not that interesting. Well, I think it is, and it's one of my favourite little padlocks because it's a tubular lock padlock, and a tiny tubular lock, and it also has a bit of personal meaning to me as well. It's given to me by Banjax from the UK Locksport Forum. My first year of lock picking, he knew I liked unusual padlocks, and he's going to get one himself, and he actually bought two and sent me one, which is really cool. So yeah, here you go. Look at a normal, I think it's a 7.5 or millimeter tubular lock. This is the Ilco Herculock with a tubular lock. That's normal. This little key is so small, it can actually fit inside the big key. It's tiny. It does mean there's a small problem though. You got a tubular tension tool like this, which fits in pretty much all the normal tubular locks that you get out there, and it's just massive. You can't tension any part of the lock; it won't even fit in. So yeah, but I really do like tubular padlocks. And you think, well, why do you like tubular padlocks? And the truth is because they're so unusual. You don't see many of them. I've got a Chicago Ace, I think. I've got the Herculock. I've got the American lock, tubular lock, but there really aren't that many of them about, and that's what makes them so cool, and why I love them as a picker and a collector. But anyway, back on to how do we pick one of these. Well, you're going to have to try and find something which fits in this center post and opens it up. So let's just see the key operating it. I'll show you the bitting. Opens up nicely, a little turn. There is the bitting here. So it's yeah, it's got some ups and downs. Quite a cool little lock. Lock it back up. What I've found is I've got this 1.3mm tensioner, which I've just filed off a bit, and if I pop it in here, it fits in the center post and turns all the way round. Can you see that? Under the lip of the core, which means I should be able to access the pins. So I'm just going to go backwards around here. Nothing on, so it's how many pins we've got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So nothing 7, nothing 6. 5's loose. 4 little click. Nothing on 3. Click on 2. Can I get onto 1? Oh, 1 little click. That's 2. We had a click. 3, nothing. 4, nothing. 5, little click, and oh, we're open already. Look at that. So it's only one position, and it snaps back, which means you don't have to pick it back as well. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, so that's the tiny little but very cool, at least I think it is, Codi lock. Absolutely love this little padlock. It's definitely one of my favorites, and shows that you don't have to have a complex, fancy, rare lock to be fun. Sometimes locks like this are what makes lock sport such a good fun hobby, and lock collecting you know, an accessible thing. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. If you've got a comment, leave one below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can, and of course I will see you all next time.